Hello everyone, welcome to ESCOD Education. In this video, we will discuss United Nations Day. We will know the Charter of United Nations, what is United Nations and why United Nations Day is observed. Let us start. The Charter of United Nations. After the disastrous effects of World War II, with an aim to establish an international organization to prevent future devastating wars, representatives of 50 countries met in San Francisco on 25th April 1945. They drafted the Charter of United Nations. A charter is a document. The Charter of United Nations is the foundational treaty of United Nations. The United Nations Charter came in effect on 24th October 1945. On the same day, United Nations also came into existence. United Nations is an intergovernmental organization that works to prevent future devastating wars, to maintain international peace and security, to protect human rights in the world, and to promote sustainable developments in the world. Why United Nations Day is observed? To aware about the aims and achievements of United Nations and to gain support for its work. United Nations General Assembly UNGA on 31st October 1947 by Resolution 168-2 declared 24th October to be observed as United Nations Day every year. The first United Nations Day was observed on 24th October 1948. In 1971, the Assembly recommended to observe this day as public holiday by UN member states. At present, there are 193 member states of United Nations. This day is an opportunity to hold discussions on and to promote global cooperation, efforts for a peaceful world, works that reduce inequalities and sustainable development of world. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time.